Buckeye Boy. We're down here at the Maumee River on the walleye run. They're catching walleye. See them? There's a whole bunch of them behind me. So Maumee, Ohio. We're over here by Sidecut Metro Park. This is the Maumee River. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Hey, we're in Maumee, Ohio, at the Maumee River. There's a lot of people fishing out here. This is Buckeye Boy. Melissa's in the car, so I'm just shooting a little video. We think they're walleye fishing and catfishing out here. The water's pretty high and it's moving pretty fast, actually. And it is deep. There's a gentleman right off the bank there. He's probably about 2 feet in the water. There's some people clear out there. There's ducks out here. There's people way out there. As you can see, I don't know if I can zoom anymore. I don't think I can. But yeah, we thought we'd show you that. There's that log floating pretty good. And it's getting some speed, so you can tell the water's running fast. This actually river goes out that direction through Fort Wayne, Indiana. There you go. See, water's moving pretty quick, as you can see. There's a few people down this way. There's a guy out there fishing, casting. And now we have 2 people over here. Oh, here's a big group of them through the trees there. Then these 2 guys, it's not too deep there. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.